Division of integers. Rules for division of integers. When you divide integers with two positive signs, positive divided by positive is equal to positive. For example, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. When you divide integers with two negative signs, negative divided by negative is equal to positive. For example, minus 10 divided by minus 2 is equal to 5. Rule number 3. When you divide integers with one negative sign and one positive sign, negative divided by positive is equal to negative. Positive divided by negative is equal to negative. For example, minus 18 divided by 9 is equal to minus 2. Another example, 18 divided by minus 9 is equal to minus 2. Condition 1. If the sign of numbers are the same, the quotient is always a positive number. Plus divided by plus is equal to plus. Minus divided by minus is equal to plus. Condition 2. If the sign of the numbers are different, the quotient is always a negative number. Plus divided by minus is equal to minus. Minus divided by plus is equal to minus. Properties of division of integers. Closure property. If a and b are two integers, then a divided by b is not always an integer. For example, 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2, or 3 divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Another example, minus 18 divided by 3 is equal to minus 6, or 3 divided by minus 18 is equal to minus 1 by 6. So when we divide integer by integer, result is not always an integer. Sometimes we will get the result as fraction also. So integers are not closed under division. Commutative property. If a and b are two integers, a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. For example, minus 25 divided by 5 is equal to minus 5, or 5 divided by minus 25 is equal to minus 1 by 5. It is not an integer. Another example, minus 36 divided by 9 is equal to minus 4, or minus 9 divided by minus 36 is equal to 1 by 4. It is not an integer. Therefore, division is not commutative for integers. Associative property. For any three integers a, b and c, in the bracket a divided by b divided by c is not equal to a divided by in the bracket b divided by c. For example, in the bracket 24 divided by minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 3, or 24 divided by in the bracket minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 12. Another example, in the bracket 20 divided by 10 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 1, or 20 divided by in the bracket 10 divided by 2 is equal to minus 8. So division is not associative for integers. Division of 0 by any integer. If a is any integer other than 0, then a divided by 0 is not defined, but 0 divided by a is equal to 0. For example, minus 15 divided by 0 is undefined. 0 divided by minus 15 is equal to 0. Another example, 20 divided by 0 is undefined, or 0 divided by 20 is equal to 0. Division by 1. If a is an integer, then a divided by 1 is equal to a. For example, minus 10 divided by 1 is equal to minus 10. Another example, 150 divided by 1 is equal to 150. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Thanks for watching.